Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language classes. Yesterday in class we ended up talking about our parents, how we get on with them, how similar or how different we are to them, and so on. One of my students started talking very openly and very honestly about her complicated relationship with her mother. She said that when she was growing up, she always felt like her mum was disappointed in her, that her mum didn't approve of her lifestyle choices. She wasn't happy when she decided to become a teacher. She didn't approve of her choice of boyfriends and so on. Even today, she still sees her mother, but she can only manage to spend very short periods of time with her before they end up having a big argument. In other words, she gets on okay with her mum, but she can only handle her, she can only deal with her in small doses. In this context, in small doses means in small amounts or in small periods of time. So you might say, for example, yeah, I can listen to techno in small doses. I don't mind jazz in small doses. Computer gaming's okay in small doses. I'm not a huge fan of feta cheese, but I don't mind it in small doses. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear about things that you don't mind in small doses, or that you can only really handle in small doses.